Good morning, students of class 12th. In the previous video, we have learned a lot about national income, and today we are going to understand different topic of market price and factor cost. And in the previous video, we have discussed somewhat about taxes also. Today we are going to start with taxes, then subsidies, then we will talk about market price and factor cost. Okay. So now let us start with taxes. Okay, that what are taxes? Taxes क्या होते हैं बच्चों? तो taxes is said to be a compulsory payment done by the person or the citizens of the country to its government. Okay, it is the, now I will remove the question mark, and it is the compulsory payment. Okay. Now, this compulsory payment is done in two ways. Either you can pay to the government directly, which is called as direct tax, or you can pay to the government indirectly, which is known as indirect tax. Okay. So, what was direct tax and what was indirect tax? Now, let us discuss that. Direct tax was the tax, the burden of which can be transferred. Okay, the direct tax is the tax, the burden of which can be transferred. Means if I'm can't be transferred. It can't be transferred. Okay, the burden of which cannot be transferred is called as direct tax. As I was saying, that I will explain you with an example, that suppose you are a person and earning some income, and on that income you will have to pay income tax. You will have to pay the income tax, and if you are paying income tax, you will pay directly to the government. It cannot be done like this, that you are the person paying the tax, it's you, and you are paying tax to any other agency or any other person, and that person is getting it deposited to the government. No. If that was the case, it would have been indirect tax. But if you are paying directly the tax to the government, then it is known as direct tax, and the examples of direct tax are income tax. I have discussed a little bit about it in the previous video also, and it is income tax. The other one is your wealth tax, and the other one is toll tax. Okay. Now, indirect tax. Indirect tax is different from direct tax, as here you are not paying tax to the government directly, you will have to deposit the tax to any other person. We generally call them as businessmen, and that businessman will pay the tax to the government. So this system is called as indirect tax. Okay, is called as indirect tax, and it is direct tax means when there is no another person between you and the government, you are directly paying it to the government, that is direct tax. Okay, so it is the tax, the burden of which can be transferred. Okay, the burden of payment is transferred. So you will pay to a businessman, like you have purchased something, you have purchased a pen or a marker, and that marker is taxable. So you will be paying tax to the businessman from whom you have purchased it, and the businessman will be selling it to will be depositing the tax with the government. Now that is indirect tax. And the examples of indirect tax are, first of all, it is sales tax, it is GST, it is service tax, and so on. Okay, there are a number of indirect tax in the country. So these are direct tax and indirect tax. Now we will talk about subsidies. What is a subsidy, or what is the meaning of a subsidy? Again a question mark. What is a subsidy? See, subsidy is just opposite of taxes. I said that tax is a compulsory payment or a payment done to the government, means anything which is collected by the government in the terms of money is known as tax. On the other hand, subsidy is reverse of that or opposite of that. Subsidy is the relief given by the government. ठीक है. Tax is the compulsory payment done to the government. It is compulsory payment to the government, and subsidy is relief given by the government. Subsidy is given by the government and taxes is collected by the government. Okay, the tax is given to the government and subsidy is given by the government to its people. Like, you would have listened or you would have heard that the government is paying tax, is paying subsidy on gas cylinders, right? The government is paying subsidy on the gas cylinders. Or right now, as there is a drive to be started in the country about vaccination, that the government will provide vaccination to the people. So government is providing subsidy on the prices of the vaccine so that the poor people can afford it, right? So taxes is the compulsory payment done to the government, and subsidy is the relief given by the government by cutting the price by paying a part of it. Okay, by paying a part of the product by the government, that is known as subsidy. Now we are studying this because in national income there is a formula used which is known as net indirect taxes, and the formula for net indirect taxes is indirect tax minus subsidy. It is indirect taxes minus subsidy. The formula for net indirect taxes is indirect taxes minus subsidy. Means when you deduct indirect taxes from subsidy, we will get the net indirect taxes. I hope this much is clear to you. We will not consider the direct taxes, we will consider only the indirect taxes. Now, as I told to you in the starting of the video, that we will be studying about market price and factor cost. Okay. First of all, let us understand that what is factor cost. Factor cost is said to be the cost of factors of production. It is the cost for the factors of production, means the cost incurred for purchasing factors of production is known as factor cost. Now let us understand what is factor cost. Before that, we will study that what are factors of production, which I have told you n number of times in the class, in the video, that there are only 4 factors of production, that are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, right? There are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Now the cost for land is called as rent, the cost for labor is called as wages, the cost for capital is called as interest, and the cost for entrepreneur is called as profit. And when we do sum of all these 4 factors of production, the thing that we get is the factor cost. Okay, when we add these all factors of production, then we get the factor cost. Now there is an other aggregate used, and that aggregate is our market price. Okay. That aggregate is our market price. Now you must have been confused that what is market price? Market price is the price paid by the consumer for purchasing a product. It is the price paid by the consumer. मार्केट प्राइस वो प्राइस है जो कंज्यूमर पे कर रहा है, और फैक्टर कॉस्ट वो कॉस्ट है जो फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की कॉस्ट है. नाउ what will be the difference between factor cost and market price? Because when we talk in mathematics, we say that price equals to cost plus profit. Cost plus profit equals to price, right? But when we talk about economics, we say that factor cost includes profit. So what will be the difference between market price and factor cost if factor cost is already including the profits? The difference, listen it carefully, it is very important, that the difference between factor cost and market price is of net indirect taxes. It is the difference because of the net indirect taxes, and right now we have understood that net indirect taxes is equals to indirect tax minus subsidies. Okay, so that is net indirect taxes. So if we will have to go from factor cost to market price, we will have to add it, that is we have to add NIT, and if we want to move from market price to factor cost, then we will have to subtract NIT. Okay, so I hope you would have understood that what is taxes, what is subsidies, what is difference between factor cost and market price, and how do we convert factor cost to market price. Always remember बच्चों कि factor cost is smaller than market price, and the factor cost is smaller than the market price, and if we have to go from factor cost to market price, then we will have to add NIT, and if we want to go from market price to factor cost, then we will have to deduct net indirect taxes. So I hope बच्चों आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि what is factor cost, market price, and all the matters discussed in this video. Till then, thank you.